Well, I'm Marco Vinicio Cerezo. I'm the director of FUNDAECO, which is WLT's partner in Guatemala. Well, thanks to the World Land Trust, we've actually rescued property, a large property, about 675 hectares of land that were going to be bought by cattle ranchers and that were about to be taken down in order to expand the cattle frontier in Caribbean Guatemala. So thanks to WLT support, we were able to buy this property and to establish a beautiful reserve that is called the Laguna Grande Reserve. This means the big lagoon, because this within the property is one of the largest lagoons of Caribbean Guatemala. We have manatees there, and we have a mixture of diverse ecosystems that make it very, very valuable. FUNDAECO runs an ecotourism program, and the reserve has established a visitor center, and actually communities provide these services. This is part of our work with local communities. We have trained Maya Quechua women in providing the food, meals, in administering the eco-lodge. Community has also kayaks that people can rent, and they can visit the reserve, all the ecosystems. They can kayak through creeks, beautiful creeks within the mangrove swamps. They can visit humid forests. They can walk the trails within the reserve, and of course they can just wander and visit the trail system within the reserve. So you're more than welcome to come to Guatemala. You can contact FUNDAECO. We have a site, www.fundaeco.org.gt for Guatemala, and you can come visit us, and we will very gladly take you visit the Laguna Grande Reserve. Well, with WLT we're looking at other properties surrounding the Laguna Grande Reserve. The idea is to protect all the natural forests that are along the Sarzun River in order to protect the watershed, maintain water quality, and maintain the beauty of this landscape. The Rio Sarzun is one of the last wild rivers, which in a stretch of more than 30 kilometers has pristine rainforest on both sides of the river. So in the long term, we are seeking to protect the whole ecosystem and to keep on buying 2 or 3 more tracts that are situated along the riverbanks in order to save this beautiful ecosystem. We're also seeking to develop local communities. We are helping fishermen. We want to achieve sustainable fisheries management in the region, and we're working with Quechua women to make them small entrepreneurs so that they can run their small businesses selling food, making handicrafts, and catering to tourists. Well, FUNDAECO is a partner with WLT now for almost 4 years, and it's great belonging to this network. Every time we meet, we learn from each other. Each partner has a different context, a different situation, different challenges, and we're all the time learning from each other. Also, we campaign together. For instance, when we need letters from our partners, they send us emails, they send letters to the National Congress, they support our conservation work. So we have like a partnership of network of organizations that support each other in our conservation efforts across the planet. And when we discuss, we meet with people from Africa, from Asia, from South America, from Armenia. So it's wonderful to have all this experience at hand so that we can do better our job.